And do you like to bacon? No. Okay? No? Okay. Says no. Okay, so I can. Well done, Bayan. Thank you for helping me. Good job, Bayan. Thank you for helping me. Now, next you need to put some chocolate chip. Hi friend, it's me again, Mazen. Today we're going to bake cookie. First, Mother needs to wash her hand. Let's get started. First, we need 1 egg. Is it cracking? Next, 4 spoons of butter. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 spoon of milk. 1. Next is mix. Two. This is gray with the green color. This is circle with the yellow color. This is star with the blue color. This is heart with the pink color. The heart one is first in black. I think we put wrong start. Mix it. Wrong start. So, take it off with this heart cookie. Okay, so what is this? We'll take off. Wow, so pink. Who's his first name line? Let me check out. What happened to the teeth? They're so expensive. Oh wow, my cookie is all circle. My cute. Wow, cold. Wow. That. I could stop. Okay. Okay, take off this, place it on this button. Okay, let's make more. Let's go to this everything. This is very clear. Look, wow, it's a star. Oh, I checked it. Sorry, people. Others, the stars. That's a square. Okay. Look, it's turning to square. Let me check if ready. It's ready. Let's go on the square on the moon. And put and this everything. And then well done. You make like the S and so done. Like this. Well done, Ben. Thanks for helping. And one is 5. Okay, and next is something going to be circle too. 1, 2, 3. Start on 5. 1, choking. 2, 3. And one more is going to be 5 like a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, start 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 is 5. Now you can have the hard one. I just do hard one. Okay. Oh, there's cactus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can eat this one. Ta-da, finish. Now you can Look. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.